All right, so today's tip and trick is gonna be super fun. It's a Halloween, Day of the Dead, however you want to describe the fall pumpkin season. So we're gonna make pumpkin marshmallow syrup. I know, right? You're gonna go to the store and you're gonna purchase these pumpkin marshmallows. You're gonna be like, ew, Gina, you've never made us not use a natural ingredient. You're right. However, I love these. You can get them at Wegmans, Whole Foods, those kind of stores. It's like super great. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your marshmallows, right? And you're gonna throw them in your pot. We're gonna pretend this is a pot, just, by the magic of TV. And you're gonna put about half a cup to a cup, depending if you're making this party or just for your house. And then you're gonna use a half a cup of sugar. And then you're gonna add a half a cup of water. And now, if you're gonna use the half, and half, it's like super easy and great. If you wanna make this a little bit thicker, you can increase the amount of marshmallows, decrease the amount of water, whatever you want. But now here is my big tip, right? You have to love what you're putting in here, right? You're gonna love the marshmallows because you love me, and you're gonna love the spice. You're gonna pick something that's just unique to you. I'm gonna use a garam masala. It's just a blend of a lot of spices down, and for me, it just smells like fall. It smells like wearing a cozy sweater and just deliciousness. So you're gonna put a pinch of that in there. You like it a little bit spicier, a little bit heavier. Add what you like. You want something deeper and richer, use a black cardamom. So delicious, right? So you're gonna take all of that, you're gonna put this over a medium heat, and you're going to dissolve your marshmallows. Careful when you're doing this, because just like when you heat up a marshmallow and it gets really, really big, it does the same thing on your stove. So you need to watch and stir. It's all dissolved, da-da-da-da, boom. You have this beautiful marshmallow syrup. Now, what's really nice about the marshmallow syrup is it gets this really good consistency of like really thickness and delicious. So it's great for making old fashions and flips and things like that. But we'll see you with the cocktails later.